Welcome everybody to Hogwarts, the school of the one and only Harry Potter. I'm just kidding. It's not actually Hogwarts, of course. This is Trinity College School. It's actually a private school here in Port Hope, otherwise known as TCS for short. But I've always, every time I drive past here, it always reminds me of of the Hogwarts school from Harry Potter. I don't know why. I mean, well, I do know why. It's because it looks like it, somewhat. It's a pretty old building. It's been here for quite a long time, I can tell you that. How long exactly? I'm not sure. But I know it's old. And it's pretty cool looking, I gotta tell you. Yeah, it's a private school, so I've never gone here myself, but I don't even know anybody who has gone here, but I'm sure it's expensive. Look at this place, it's so cool. So yeah, I thought I'd show you guys that. It's actually fair season here in our neck of the woods, maybe everywhere. I don't know if it's fair season everywhere, but it is our fair season. We are having our annual Port Hope Fall Fair this weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, with rides and games and, you know, all that carnival stuff. And of course a smash up derby on Saturday night, which we'll be going to. Should be a lot of fun. We've been going to the derby for quite a while now, at least, I don't know, at least 10 years. And I figured we'd drive past the fairgrounds now and see if there's anything set up, which it should be pretty much all set up by now, because the derby, or the fair officially opens tomorrow. Oh yeah, they got some rides set up over there. And the derby, you can see those, if you can see, I don't know if you can, but those orange, the orange stands over there in the distance, that sits right in front of the derby. That entire hill up there gets filled with people. There's a lot of people that come to see the derby. Oh yeah, they got all the rides set up. All the rides. And there's also, you know, an art gallery and all that stuff set up inside the building here on the right. Let's take a ride through here. I will try to avoid the dirty old muddy water. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, a lot of the rides are for younger kids, right? But I remember coming here when I was younger and it was the best thing ever. Now we mainly come just for the derby on the Saturday night. But we still walk around the fair and check out all the rides and grab some, you know, fair food, cotton candy. That is our annual fall fair setup. So here's a fun fact. I'm actually recording this beginning part of this video is actually recorded after the second half of this motovlog. So the second half of this video, I probably recorded maybe 3 or 4 days ago. So the reason why I'm doing another you know, section of video now is because I actually got a new micro SD card for the GoPro. I did a bunch of research, and apparently, you know how I was telling you I had that issue with the random stopping of recording for the GoPro. So according to my research, it was because of a faulty SD card. So I got a new one. I got a 64 gig SanDisk Extreme micro SD. I would have got a 128, but apparently the Hero 3 GoPros only support up to 64. Go figure. And yeah, it's been recording. I haven't had any issues. It hasn't stopped randomly after 8 seconds, so far so good. Which is good, which means I don't have to buy a brand new camera right now. This one will do me the rest of this year, and maybe next year I'll look at upgrading more seriously. So yeah, this Saturday night you might see me post some pictures on Instagram or whatever of the Smash Up Derby. It's always fun to watch. They got the small cars, stock cars, they got mid-sized cars like the bigger V8s, and they got pickup trucks. Last year they had vans in the Derby, which was cool, but I didn't hear if they were going to have the vans again this year. So we shall find out on Saturday night. This is not actually 2 lanes, it's only 1 lane, but we're making our own lane for the right-hand turn. So yeah, I'm glad the SD card, the new SD card, is working out good. Hopefully it remains working good. And anyways, here's the second portion of the motovlog. For those of you who are watching the my first motovlog, the one before this one, I was talking about how the It movies were filmed in Port Hope, and now we get to actually go through the downtown area of Port Hope, which is where, well, it's called Derry in the It movies. So here you guys go. See if any of this looks familiar to you. Coming down the main area here. As we get up to this area up here, it might be a lot more familiar. To the right is the Capitol Theater, if you guys remember that from the movie. Take a look down there. You can see it down there. I wanted to show you the alleyway back there too, but I kind of missed it. That's where the quality fresh meats or whatever were, you know, that quality meat store. There's the town hall across the river over there. I don't know if you can see it with the sun in the way, but kind of hard to see. I'll take a right here. There's the train tracks. If you guys seen the second one, there's a part where the train goes overhead. That's that right there. There's the river. This is where the fight was. And if you look at that parking lot right there, that's where the that's where they had the carnival set up, right there. There's a better look at Town Hall. You remember that big huge lumberjack statue guy? If you remember that from the movie, he was set up right here in this park. There's the band shell back there. Any of this look familiar for those of you who have seen the movie? And there's the alleyway right there. I'm gonna see if I can sneak over there after this crazy amount of traffic goes by. Here I go, here I go, here I go. Woo! It says one way, but I'm going the opposite way. There's the door, everybody. Right there. Woo! okay. So that's how you get back here. I was wondering how to get actually back here the proper way, so there's a road up there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We'll go past the door again. The Quality Meats back door for deliveries only. Ho, 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 ho. Here we go, coming out of the alley. You can see the Capitol Theater off in the distance. So yeah, guys, that's pretty cool. If you guys haven't seen this, if you've never been to this town before yourselves. There you have it. Pretty cool stuff, if I may say so myself. I think I'm gonna snap a picture while I'm over here in front of this this cool looking old wagon thing. Actually, I'll go this way. Ice cream caravan. I've actually gotten food here before. I haven't gotten ice cream from here, but I've gotten food. Alright, let's except the sun's like right there, but we can make it work. We can do it. There we go. Oh, look at that. We got the train trestle in the background. That's pretty cool. Did you guys see that? That guy almost ate it off a skateboard. I don't know if you guys could see that from as far back as I was with the camera, but I sure saw it and that was funny. And then he waved at me, so I waved at him, and it was weird, but it was cool. Anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to really show you. Since I didn't get to show you the movie locations in the last motovlog, making sure I'm recording. Yeah, I want to show you the downtown Port Hope area, show you those few spots while I could. And yeah, just coming home from the bike service, so thought I'd turn the camera on. But yeah, that's about it, I guess, for now. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.